standard. There you go. That's the cord that comes with it. Yeah, it looks like there was a little bit of an issue there, but that's no big deal. That's a pretty long cord. Switches up here, and you just put it on there. Don't want to do it on the concrete. And then this is the lever that raises and lowers it. You can feather it with this lever. And of course that's the dust collector right there. It's got a heavy duty 110 cord with it, which is safety, so it locks in. And that's the machine right there. Sure. And that's the test of the 110 or of the Clarke EZ8.